Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today we will make biryani masala powder. You can make it one time and keep it in the airtight container for long time. You can use this masala to make the biryani, pulao or any kind of shahi dishes. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon, so you will never miss the new updates. So let's get started. For the biryani masala, here I have taken 3 pieces of bay leaves, 3 pieces dry red chili, 4 pieces black cardamom, 14 pieces green cardamom, 4 pieces star anise, 2 pieces mace and half nutmeg. I have taken half nutmeg because nutmeg has strong flavor, that's why. 4 pieces broken cinnamon stick, 14 pieces cloves, 2 teaspoons shahi jeera, half tablespoon coriander seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, half tablespoon stone flower or dagarful, half tablespoon dry pomegranate or anardana. That's it. Heat up the pan and keep it on low heat. We have to dry roast all the whole spices. First I am adding bay leaves, red chili, roast it for 2 minutes only. It's done. Let me take them out. Cinnamon stick, star anise, green cardamom, black cardamom, mace and nutmeg and cloves. Cumin seeds, coriander seeds, shahi jeera, black peppercorn, dry pomegranate and dagarful or stone flower. Okay, now switch off the flame. Let it cool completely. I will grind it in 2 batches. One batch is done. Now I am adding the remaining spices in this masala. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons turmeric powder. I will grind it again. Biryani masala is ready. As you can see, do not make a fine powder. You can keep it in the airtight container for long time. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.